Students in Kent County looking for hands-on career training should know that Kent Career Tech Center offers that in a variety of fields, from healthcare to manufacturing, culinary arts to IT. And there's an upcoming open house event for those wanting to learn more. We've got Ryan Graham. He's the Director of Workforce Development for Kent Intermediate School District, joining us this morning with more info. Good morning. Thanks for being here.
Good morning. Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. Let's start with Kent Career Tech Center and what that is.
Yeah, so Kent Career Tech Center is a hands-on facility where 11th and 12th graders across all of Kent County can come for real high-end lab training and work with professional teachers that have been part of those industries in their past. We have nearly 30-plus programs that are available to homeschool students, private schools, homeschool again, and then our public school students as well in 11th and 12th grade.
Pretty much every 11th and 12th grader out there can take part in this. How does it specifically do this? I mean, obviously you mentioned you've got mentors. I mean, you've got people who have been there and done that, actually teaching what's might be there.
So this is a great way for young men and women to explore a career that they're interested in or that they really feel that they are built for aptitude-wise. We want business and industry partners like we have to partner with them, be able to give them their insights and their knowledge, but in a way that prepares them for career and or college-based pathways post-high school.
And when you say prepare, we say hands-on. Can you kind of say what hands-on really means?
Yeah, so for us, you're going to be in labs. You're going to be working with cybersecurity. You're going to be working with 3D animation and design. If you're a health student, you're going to be working in health labs that look exactly like the hospital or the pharmacy that you might attend. Auto, diesel, construction. You're going to be doing these activities live. You're not sitting and getting. You're going to be moving and working in our labs, which are very extensive. We also have advanced manufacturing, welding, engineering, mechatronics, and just precision machining at a high level where they're actually doing those activities.
And what is the time commitment for that?
Yeah, so the time commitment is a 2-hour day, 2 hours every day that you attend our campus. Really takes the place of an elective. If you remember your 11th and 12th grade days, you might take elective classes. Use us as your elective.
And listen, we want to get you to an open house. They want to invite you there. Tell us really quickly where that open house is going to be.
So it's at our campus right near 1655 East Beltline. We have both buildings open to the public. Please come out and see the facility. Give yourself time. It's a large campus. Our teachers are going to be there. The labs will be open and you'll be able to explore.
Yeah, learn by doing. It's the best way to learn. Get your hands on at this and learn all about it at that open house. You are invited February 5th and 6th from 5 to 7 p.m. right there, 1655 East Beltline Northeast in Grand Rapids. If you want more information, pretty simple, thetechcenter.org or 616-364-8421 for more.